Hello everybody, welcome to HadibITe, my new social media channel. In HadibITe we are going to have lots of fun, so let's get started. Okay, who I am and what I'm going to do here. I'm an IT engineer and in HadibITe going to share my experience and review, present new techs and solutions. Oh, I forgot, I'm food lovers too. Let's cook in my videos as well. Is it not fun? Hold on, we have more for you. If you wanna keep yourself up to date in entertainment industry as music, video and games, stay with me here. HadibITe's audiences, IT geeks or whoever needs to get familiar with new IT solutions. Food lovers, if you wanna cook something different, stay with IT Chef. Well, if you are an IT company and need someone demo or present your products or services, let's start with HadibITe. Even if you are looking for IT solutions and need my help, I'm always for you, just ask me. I will share with you latest of tech industry. Remember, I'm in LA, so if you wanna know more about entertainment, please don't miss my video. Okay, let's have lots of fun. Please follow HadibITe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram. You can visit my website as well, HadibITe.com. For any question, reach out to me on my email, hadi@hadibite.com.